Oh, look, a tub. We are making progress in our 1870 restoration. This is the family bathroom upstairs. And we can see electric work. This is where the toilet will be, the vanity, and this is our laundry room. We'll have sconce lights on the walls, laundry hook up. Entering the master suite, the vanity, the toilet, the shower, entering the walk-in closet, and the bedroom itself. What? No 2x4 sticking out of the wall? That's because we have an engineered beam header. Geez, Leif, you sound proud of yourself. Well, doggone it, I am proud of myself. We've got Pi Squared Electric Company down here, Brandon, Matt, and Rich. And they're working to bring modern electric to this 1870s restoration. Here's a couple more headers, opening up into the nook room and opening the kitchen into the dining room. So when we're talking about getting electric moved through walls that I didn't demo because they're good interior walls, we're going to go up to the attic. And what did I find in the attic but a paper from 1960? So I'm looking at some deals here, and I noticed this Buick 57 two-door hardtop convertible. It's a clean car, original owner. That's $1,050. Ooh, that might be a good deal. Look at this lady. She got a permanent. There's our vanity for the family bathroom. Vanity for the master suite. In boxes, 3 of them. Our fabulous vent that we spent some work with our intrepid and extremely careful to abide by every single rule imaginable to man city inspector. That's it for today.